My name is Ayatif. For a long time, I had a habit that slowly damaged my confidence. I compared myself with others. If someone spoke English better than me, I felt behind. If someone achieved success faster, I felt slow. If someone looked more confident, I started doubting myself. At first, I thought comparison would motivate me, but instead, it made me unhappy. Every time I looked at someone doing better, I felt smaller. One day, I opened social media in the morning. I saw people posting achievements. Someone got a new job. Someone traveled to another country. Someone spoke fluent English confidently. I looked at those posts and felt discouraged. I thought, everyone is moving ahead. I am falling behind. I am not good enough. That day, my motivation dropped. I did not study. I did not practice English. I just felt low. In the evening, I went for a walk. I saw a small park near my house. In the park, there were different plants. Some were tall, some were small, some had flowers, some were still growing. An old gardener was watering them. I stood there and watched. Then I asked him, "Why are some plants small while others are tall?" He smiled and said, "Because they grow at different speeds." He pointed to one plant and said, "This one takes more time to grow." Then he pointed to another and said, "This one grows faster." But both are healthy. He continued, "If I compare them, it would make no sense. Each plant has its own timing." His words made me think deeply. I realized something important. People are like plants. Everyone grows differently. Some people learn faster. Some people take more time. But that does not mean one is better than the other. That night, I stopped comparing. Instead, I asked myself, am I better than yesterday? The next day, I practiced English for 20 minutes. It was not perfect, but it was progress. The next day, I learned new words. Slowly, I improved. Weeks passed. My confidence grew. Because I stopped focusing on others and started focusing on myself. Now, when I see someone doing better, I feel inspired, not discouraged, because I understand something clearly. Comparison steals joy. Progress builds confidence. Everyone has their own journey, and the only comparison that matters is with your past self. Final thought. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Focus on your growth, step by step. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep improving every day. And always remember, your only competition is who you were yesterday.